I'm filming right now. Oh my god.
It used to warn us on them ones, doesn't it? Just
that is so cool, guys. Oh my god. Okay, happy bonfire night, guys. You won't be able to see my dad, by the way. He's the one putting the fireworks up. My mum doesn't like being in public because she's a crybaby.
What do you mean I don't like being in public?
Bro, you literally tell me not to film you.
No, I don't like being filmed.
Skibbity Ohio Riz. Yeah, guys, by the way, I am Skibbity brain rot. Hehehe. Yeah. I've been watching too much brain rot videos. By the way, guys, my Roblox account just got banned, so like I'm super sad. Yeah, I know, guys. So I'm super sad, guys. But this is cheering me up. Oh, it's a fountain, guys. Oh my god, I love the bang at the end. It's just like so iconic.
Your dad's throwing in to scare us all. Doing a good job.
I just love the iconic pop at the end.
Dad set fire to the sandbag.
Wait, what?
You don't need one.
Wait, have you actually? Has he actually?
Mm-hmm.
What the? Oh my god, guys. Bro, you actually have?
Oh, parents just messaged me. What you's up to? Said just not a lot. I'm not doing a thing. I feel tight, but nothing I can do.
Why not bring her over at the last minute?
She's going to post on Facebook. She's going to find out.
I haven't put it on. Shall I message?
If you want. Let's save the rocket stuff to get to.
Kev's drinking. This is my first ever video without my mum. Mum, can you hold the camera while I say hi?
What?
Can you hold the camera? Make sure you can see my face. Mum, make sure you can see my face. Hi guys. Okay. I can't actually change cams, so we're gonna carry on with the bonfire, and then gonna see if my friend can come. Okay, guys. All right, let's get back to the bonfire. Okay, bye. See you soon. Okay, let's go. Back to, oh my god. Right, at least you didn't miss that, but
Oh Jesus! I'm gonna knock your dad out tonight.
Don't you dare swear on camera. You skimmed your Ohio Riz.
She's put, I don't want to intrude. Have you already started them? Shall I go and get her?
Yeah, go get her.
Coming to see these men out there.
Yeah.
I just got coat
I can't take
food
you
on
with
me.
me though because I'll have no room in the car.
Okay.
5 minutes.
What should I film then? Okay, guys. Wait, should I do a part 2?
Sure, darling.
Yeah, it's fine.
Should I do a part 2 of this?
Do that, girl.
Should I do a part 2? Okay, never mind. Okay, guys. Number 1.
Today I'm playing cooking on my iPad and yes.
That's Olivia. Oh, there's nothing. I'm innocent.
We are doing fireworks. Yeah, we're doing fireworks.
Olivia, say hi to the crew.
Oh, hi.
This is my little sister Olivia. Okay, please make this go popular because like this is the most popular thing like around. I really love bonfire nights, so
I'm gonna make
okay.
me and sour.
Now, should I make a part 2 later? Oh my god. Oh
What the
my
heck?
skibbity. Wait, don't use them all right now. Can't use them all right now. Okay, the cup's falling off me. Let's think about it.
Hi guys. Today we're doing fireworks.
Okay. It is very dark, guys, so yeah.
Guys, I'm making
1 second.
cupcakes.
Oh, right, that was really bright, so I hope you guys can see my... Right, there we go. Fire. What is happening to the screen? By the way, there's the fire, so let's carry on with the bonfire, okay?
Hello guys.
So, should we do a part 2, Dad?
Part 2 of what, Dad?
This video, while we wait for Lois. and cats and all that. Should we wait for them? Okay, never mind.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. What's happening?
Oh my.
What the hell?
Okay, sorry guys about that. Right, this is super funny. Okay.
Sour, eat one.
Oh, okay. Like, can you make one for the crew?
Okay.
Crew. Hi guys.
I can make
Crew.
three.
Okay.
I can make three for the crew.
Okay, one for the crew and two for us. Okay.
I said, darling, all that.
Comment down what your favourite text. Wait. Comment down what.
What the hell?
Comment down what your favourite texture of cupcake is. Chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, and all that. Something like mint
I
or
don't have
something.
strawberry. I
Right,
don't
there's
have
my dad.
vanilla. I only have blue.
Wait, Dad, do you like being in public?
Sometimes.
Finish, guys.
By the way, you're like blackened, so like we can't really see you.
Very wet, squishy thing. Somebody brought that out with them.
No, that was from like last year. Just squishy man.
Here you go, Sour.
Oh, okay.
It's all finished.
Which one's for crew? That one. Oh, that one's for crew.
I have a bite.
Okay, guys, eat it. Okay, now I'll eat mine.
There's only two.
Okay. I can see a light right there.
I'll make two.
Should I make a part 2 where Lois and Kaz are here?
If you want, darling.
Okay, guys, I'll see you in part 2.
Promise me none of you two will move a muscle.
Okay, Dad,
Get what, darling?
can you film me while I'm just saying bye and then I'm going to do a part 2? Okay, guys, by the way, I'm going to be doing a part 2 and we'll stop at the campfire.
Wait, guys.
So I
Do you
actually
want
take...
cupcakes?
No, they're okay. Actually, show the campfire up. There. There's a campfire up close by. I'm not meant to move. So, guys, let's have a part 2. Bye. Okay. 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 Bye.